The infertility is the inability of a couple to complete a pregnancy after a period of 1 year having sex without contraception. In fact, this is a problem that is increasing worldwide. Approximately 15% of couples of reproductive age suffer problems related to the topic of conception. And, of these cases, half of them present some masculine factors, both isolated or combined with those of their partner, linked to the difficulty to conceive. In a timely manner, male infertility is a disorder in which multiple factors are combined. These encompass both genetic and chemical modifications of DNA, along with environmental aspects such as food, lifestyle habits and exposures to harmful substances, tobacco, marijuana. Food, great pillar for increasing fertility. Diets rich or lacking in certain nutrients for prolonged periods of time can affect fertility and transmit such profiles, by inheritance, to their offspring. Among these environmental factors are also the following: malnutrition, low-protein diet, micronutrient deficiencies, high-fat diet, food toxins, vitamin deficiencies. Recommended foods: a healthy diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids and some antioxidants such as those that provide vitamins A, C, D, zinc, among others, is associated with a good quality of sperm. While there are foods with key nutrients, excess vitamins can cause a setback in fertility levels. For this reason, healthy and balanced diet will always be the best option. Proteins. Proteins help in the production of quality sperm. However, proteins of vegetable origin are preferable, since the consumption of those of animal origin is associated with an increased risk of infertility. Also, the importance of consuming proteins of plant origin is derived from its content of arginine, an amino acid with vasodylator function. This contributes to the creation of sperm, in addition to improving its quality, quantity, and mobility. Among foods that contain arginine are carrot, onion, spinach, apple, peppers, garlic, oats. Lipid fats. As mentioned previously, the high intake of saturated fats in men is negatively linked in the number, concentration, and mobility of sperm. On the contrary, the consumption of omega-3 fats is related to a good quality of semen. You can find omega-3 fats in foods like nuts, salmon, pumpkin, egg, fish, chia seeds, flaxseed, beans, Brussels sprouts. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are sugars that produce the energy necessary for the body to perform its functions correctly. On the other hand, sugar increases glucose in the blood, and it is precisely this monosaccharide that is responsible for the maintenance of spermatogenesis. Zinc. The inclusion of zinc in the diet of the male is essential because it participates in the reduction of oxidative stress, in the synthesis of testosterone, and in the maturation of sperm. In fact, it has been found that low concentrations in man are related to a lower quality, concentration, and malformation of male sex cells. You can find considerable amounts of zinc in foods such as pumpkin seeds, bitter or dark chocolate, garlic, sesame, chickpeas, wheat germ, watermelon seeds. Folic acid, also known as vitamin B9, is not only necessary in the case of women. In the male, it improves the process of sperm formation. Some foods rich with folic acid are vegetables with dark green leaf, spinach, turnip greens, romaine lettuce, etc. Asparagus, broccoli, citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruit, etc. Beans, peas and lentils. Seeds and nuts. Avocado, beet, carrots. B12 vitamin. This nutrient increases the sperm count and, therefore, the chances of conceiving. Vitamin B12 is naturally found mainly in foods of animal origin and, to a lesser extent, in products of vegetable origin. Among them are the following: meats, cow, pork, lamb, chicken, eggs, fish, algae, edible fungi, wheat germ. Vitamin C. This nutrient, also known as ascorbic acid, improves the mobility of sperm. In addition, thanks to its antioxidant properties, fights against free radicals that affect fertility levels. You can find this vitamin in foods such as kiwi, orange, lemon, strawberries, broccoli, peppers. What foods is best not to consume? In some studies it has been found that certain foods negatively affect the quality of semen and influence the decrease in the pregnancy probability rate. Among them are processed meat, soy foods, dairy products, coffee, alcohol, sweet, sugary drinks. Conclusions. In short, human reproduction depends on different processes, both external and internal, and its perfect combination derives from conception. In the case of food, a healthy and balanced diet favors the reproduction process, mainly during the pre-pregnancy period applicable to the male. However, monitoring the levels of obesity, thinness, and sports can contribute to the improvement of the level of male fertility.